guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because it's going to be, well, I don't know if it's technically going to be the first video in like our wedding planning series thing that we're going to be doing here on YouTube, but it's technically the first one that I'm filming. Alright, so I found all of this up at like the dollar spot, which is, I don't think it's called that anymore. Bullseye's Playground. Just like the little section up at the beginning of the store where things are like $5, $3, and like maybe $7 and like $1. Just like, you know, like that little section when you first walk in. So the first thing I got was this guest book frame. It only has 25 hearts in it, but I was thinking that they could like put it on the back, and all this stuff is going to be, well, majority of the stuff is going to be for the bridal shower. So thought it'd be perfect for the bridal shower. And then same with this. I don't know why I bought this, because I actually have so many signage for the bridal shower, but we'll see. Maybe I could put this, I don't know, maybe on our table or something. I don't know, because it's going to be a brunch theme. But I picked that up. And I also picked this up that says Mimosa Bar. Again, I already have a Mimosa Bar sign, so I don't know why I bought this, but I'm sure I can use it for something. And then I got all of these like little plate things, and I was like, We put some food on them. So I got 2 of the stripes and 2 of the polka dots. These were $3 a piece, and the signs were $3, and $5. That's a really good price for that. And then I also found this. This is the date night suggestions little cards, and this was $3. And then I don't know why I got so many of these, but I got a ton of napkins, and then they just say, "She said yes." And then I got these because I thought possibly we could use them for the wedding, like for outside, to just like point to where to go. But I don't know if we'll actually use them. But I got that, and then I got these table numbers because we already had like what we're going to put the table numbers in or on or whatever. But we just didn't actually have table numbers, and this was like literally only $3. So, and it's like white and gold, which is literally our colors, and it's super cute. So I got that, and then I got these. I don't know if we're gonna use this or not, but it literally just has this right here: guest book, thank you, gifts and cards, love is sweet, and photo booth. And then they just stand on their own, but we may actually put them in frames. Again, I don't know if we'll use it, maybe not, but it was literally only $3. And then I got these 3 balloons, 2 of the Miss to Mrs., and then 1 of the best day ever. But that's all I got from Target.